For the next one, take a cup and put some clay in it as shown in the video. Make the layers out of it and then make the small dots out of it. Now take a clay and make the flowers as shown in the video, and then take another clay, make a stem out of it and then attach it, and it's all done. It is cute though, right? For the next one, take a clay and then press it all together and roll it, and then start pressing it and pasting it on the sheet and make the lines out of it. Now make the stems out of the clay and the leaves as shown in the video. Now make the small balls of the clay and make it into a flower, and then it will look like this. Now press the flower and paste it all together on the stems. Now make a small little honeybee, and then it's all done. For this one, take a paper cup and make the shapes out of it as shown in the video, and then pull it out. Now cut it very nicely and gently and then open it as it will look like this. Now take a sketch pen and then start coloring it into the half as shown in the video. Now start making the small loops as shown, and it's done. For the next one, take the stripes of a sheet and then start attaching it into the horizontal and vertical way. Now bring it all together and then staple it very nicely from one side and another, and then staple it all together, and then it will look like this. It's done. For this, take a paper cup and cut the bottom out of it. Now take it and make the small hole in between and make the lines. Now take a straw and fold it into half and attach it to the paper cup. It will look like this. Now take it all together and then attach it and paste it all, and then it's done. It is cute bicycle. Cute, right? For the next one, take a balloon and put the marble inside it and then tie it with the help of an elastic, and then slowly turn it around as shown in the video very nicely and gently, and then blow it as it will look like this. Now tie it from the up and then make a cute little bunny face and the bunny ears on the balloon as it will look like this, and it's all done. Cute, right? For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it into half and then start folding the edges of it, and then do it as shown in the video. Open it nicely. It will look like this. Now make so many out of it and then start attaching it all together with the help of your hands as it will look like this, and then keep attaching it of different colors as shown in the video, and then it will start looking like this. Repeat the process very nicely and gently and then finally attach it. It will look like this, and then it's all done. It is great, right? For the next one, take a paper cup and attach the stone and clay to it. Now make a small circle out of the sheet and cut it out nicely. Now start pasting the sheets as shown in the video. It will start looking like this. Paste it very nicely, and it's all done. Thanks for watching.